Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. It's an envelope. This one comes from Firefighter 882. My brother, he's a firefighter. It's not planned, but I am also a first responder. I am a fire police. So let me open this up. Firefighter 882. His link will be down in the description down below. Here is Fire Buddies Project Fire Department from Whatnot. Everybody, go follow him. Go check him out on Whatnot. Have a good day. Peace. His link will be down below. Sorry, Jelly Beans. Let me read this card. Welcome to the Firehouse family. Thank you so much for your donation and the support here at the Firehouse. Enclosed is your Project Fire Buddies decal. Your exclusive Firefighter 882 sticker will be coming separate, so keep an eye out. Stay tuned to the show for so much more to come. I don't really put stickers on my car, but this will end up on a back window on my car. Thank you all. Have a good day. Peace.